Hi everybody, this is Mr. Roche. I'm here. I've got about maybe like 5 minutes to get a homework out, and we can do something in 5 minutes to illustrate. I thought this was a good idea. Thing you got to do by Monday is to get to the computer lab and do this small Illustrator assignment. It should take you 5 minutes. Like if you come 5 minutes before class, you can do it, something like that, or you can do it today. Okay. What I want you to do is make an Illustrator artboard. So go to Illustrator. Go like this, go new, make an artboard, like we'll say homework for, today is the 15th, so we'll say, call it homework May 15th. Make sure that the units say inches, and we'll make it 8 inches by 8 inches. I've already done it, but I'll redo it. Inches. Okay, there it is, okay. Boom. And then what we're going to try to use is we're going to try to use the pen tool. Okay, it makes paths. So what we're going to do is go here and say pen tool. And the way to do this is to just click and then go like this and drag, hold and drag. Make sure you can get something that goes like this. Go like this and make one more. We're going to try to make a leaf. Okay? Let's see what we've done. Okay, so this is a path, and this is something we can use for laser cutting and things like that. Okay, if I hit the black arrow tool, I can pick it up, which we've talked about. If I hit the small arrow tool, I can get on pieces of it and I can do stuff to it. Like I can change it and move it around. You can also pick the handles on the curvy parts and do stuff to them to make them more curved. This is what people do with illustrators. They kind of use these things to make very smooth, what's called a Bézier curve. A guy named Bézier figured out how to do this mathematically, and they use them. These things. They're also called splines. They use them for like boat hulls and things like that, and they're pretty cool. So okay, so what I'm doing is I'm adjusting my path. Okay, I gotta get the small arrow tool. Go here. Grab this arrow, grab this, I'm going to move it maybe up here a little bit, and make this smaller, whoopee. You know, this one's smaller, but that's actually pretty cool. Look at that leaf. That's sort of cool. Okay, so different kind of leaf here. And whoa, that's not what I want to do. Push some of this back in here so the view is better. Okay, so I've got this sort of leaf shape. I like it. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to make two parts to it. So I'm going to go click on it. Okay, I'm going to copy it. Okay, and I'm going to paste it. Okay, so now I have two of them. And then what I'm going to do with them is I'm still on the big arrow key. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to just go make it be opposite. See? Okay. So now I have one that's like the other side of what I'm looking for. Okay. I'm going to put it over here. Okay. It's a little bit off, so I'm going to have to rotate it. Okay. Another thing too is that these should have no, they should have no fill. So I'm going to go like this and say no fill to them. Okay, so this makes them cuttable. We go like this and say no fill, and we can set the other thing later, but right now no fill is good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to rotate this one. So if I just go over here and rotate, I can move it. I can push it over here very close by to what I'm looking for here. Okay. And maybe I want to go like this and move the pass over a little bit so it can fit better. Get them even. Okay. So these are two individual paths right now. And the thing is, Illustrator really likes things that are put together. So you can use this thing called join function. So what you want to do is you want to go like this. You want to, I guess, go on the small arrow tool, and you want to highlight the two ends of one of the paths. Okay, see like this and this. Okay, so if I zoom in, I'm going to like join them. Okay, so see these guys right here? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go object, or I'm sorry, let me see. Yes. I'm going to go path join. See what happens. See what happened there? It put them together, and that's good. And then I'm going to go down to the other part of this, and I can pick these guys up a little bit closer. I guess it's okay though. Whoa. I'll move it over. You can put them like right on top of each other, but I'll put them like right next to each other. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the two end pieces, and I'm going to go object, path, join. Okay, average will make them like kind of push together. We can try an average check. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do both, and then what it does, it pushes them together. So see that? So if I zoom out, and I go back to here, what happens then is I have one solid object. So if I go like this and color it, it's one object. Okay, something like that. So so that's the deal, and that's what we're looking for. You can make it any color you want, doesn't matter. But what I want to do is I want to see this Illustrator file with a leaf shape that's been joined. Okay, that's the homework. Thanks a lot.